Why do older men sexually appeal to women? Number 1. Experience and maturity. There are many reasons why women are drawn to older men, but experience and maturity are two of them. Men mature more as they age because of the additional experiences that form their perspective. Women prefer mature guys who have a firm grasp of life versus those who are still figuring things out. Older men have experienced many periods of life, such as starting a work, starting a family, and dealing with loss, and have gained important life lessons as a result. Older men who possess this maturity and experience may also be more self-assured and confident in their choices, which appeals to women. They have a clear vision of what they want and have no qualms about pursuing it. Older guys are inherently attractive to women who are looking for a strong and determined spouse. Furthermore, because they have more experience addressing disagreements and emotional crises, older men are frequently better at handling challenging situations. Women may find them appealing because they have developed the maturity and poise necessary to manage challenging circumstances. Number 2. Financial security. Older men's financial security is another characteristic that draws women to them. It goes without saying that women want a stable spouse who can provide them that. Because they have had more time to build their jobs and amass wealth, older men are frequently in a better financial situation than younger men. An older man who is, say, in his late 30s, 40s, or 50s may be more financially secure than a younger man who is just starting out, since he has already established himself in his work, has a reliable income, and owns his own home. Women seeking security and stability in a relationship might be drawn to this financial stability. They are frequently drawn to males who are capable of taking care of themselves and supporting them if necessary. For instance, a financially stable older man may be able to treat his girlfriend to more expensive outings, which can be highly alluring to some women. Additionally, a relationship can become less stressful when finances are stable. A financially stable older man is less likely to worry about money and may spend more time on his relationship. He might also feel more confident about his financial future, which might make him more open to investing in a long-term partnership or marriage. While a partner's financial security shouldn't be the only thing taken into account in a relationship, it is an important issue for many women. Number 3. Older guys tend to be more self-assured and forceful than younger men, which can be a huge draw for women. Women who are looking for a mate who knows what he wants and isn't scared to pursue it may find older men who are more at ease in their own skin to be very alluring. Have you ever encountered a man who seemed to have it all together and exuded confidence? It can be challenging to resist its magnetic quality. Older guys are more attractive to women looking for a spouse who is self-assured, since they have had more time to cultivate this confidence and assertiveness. There are several ways that assertiveness and confidence can appear. In the bedroom, for example, an older man might be more eager to assert himself, which may appeal to some women. He might also be more at ease speaking his mind and advocating for himself, which can be a welcome change for women who are sick of dating uncertain or passive men. It's important to remember that there is a thin line between confidence and arrogance. Women are not attracted to males who are haughty or have exaggerated notions of their own importance. The secret is to strike a balance between self-assurance and modesty, which older men have had more time to develop. So, if you're an older man wanting to attract ladies, don't be afraid to project confidence as long as you do it with respect and sincerity. Number 4. Physical characteristics. Older men's sexual attraction to women is significantly influenced by their physical characteristics. Men frequently acquire physical traits that reflect experience and maturity as they get older, such as facial hair, wrinkles, and a more regal aspect. Women seeking a self-assured, sophisticated, and mature spouse may find these physical characteristics to be quite attractive. Older guys may take better care of themselves and have a more sophisticated sense of style in addition to their physical attributes. They may groom themselves to look more professional and put together, wear clothing that fits well, and highlight their greatest characteristics. Because it conveys that the male values his appearance and is self-assured, this attention to detail may appeal to women. A woman will frequently be attracted to an older man's physical attributes when she feels sexually attracted to him. She might be attracted to his seasoned features, grooming practices, and sense of fashion. She may find it quite attractive that he takes care of himself and is confident in his appearance if he does this. Number 5. Life objectives. Women looking for a reliable, dedicated companion may find having life goals to be an attractive feature. Older men often have greater life experience, which helps them launch careers, establish financial security, and accomplish personal objectives. Women may find this sense of direction and purpose alluring since it demonstrates the man's willingness to put in the effort necessary to realize his goals. For instance, an older guy who is taking on new tasks in a successful job may be viewed as a risk-taking, ambitious person. Women seeking a motivated, successful companion with a sense of purpose in life may find this appealing. A mature man can also be incredibly alluring to women if he has a clear vision for his future, whether it's to travel the world, launch a business, or take up a novel pastime. This implies that he is never content to coast through life, but is constantly seeking out new experiences and challenges. This kind of companion may appeal to women who have similar aims and ideals since he is a kindred spirit who shares their quest for self-discovery and growth. Number 6. Relationship experience. Having been in a variety of relationships, older men frequently have greater relationship experience than younger guys. Women who want a mate who can handle the ups and downs of a relationship and is emotionally mature may find this experience appealing. Older men who have been married or in committed relationships for a long time are likely to have acquired crucial communication skills, methods for handling conflicts, and emotional intelligence that will make them better partners in the future. They may be more equipped to handle relationship difficulties since they have had time to study what works and what doesn't. A senior man who has children or a history of marriage may also be seen as more loving and caring due to his experience with parenting and caring for a partner. Because it suggests that the male can offer stability and emotional support in a relationship, this feature may appeal to women. Number 7. Less drama. As women get older, many are less engaged in games and more concerned about stability. Older males have an edge in this regard because they frequently display less immature or petty behavior. Older men may be looking for a more secure and satisfying relationship now that they have lived through the wild parties and drama-filled years of their lives. Women carry on from a secure and contented relationship. Women may find this tempting since they are sick of the drama and mayhem that come with dating younger males. In addition, older men might be more conscious of the qualities they seek in a partner and less prone to manipulate or play games. They are more likely to have honest and open communication with their spouses, which can result in a more satisfying and happy union. In conclusion, there are a variety of reasons why women find older guys attractive. Focusing on these traits and telling potential partners about them clearly are essential if you're an older man trying to attract ladies. Simply highlighting your abilities and dedication to a stable relationship can boost your chances of attracting ladies looking for experienced relationships. However, keep in mind that every woman is different and will have her own unique set of preferences when it comes to relationships, so don't be discouraged if certain women aren't interested in you. Many ladies will find what you have to offer valuable. Finally, finding someone who shares your values and enhances your abilities requires nothing more than being genuine to yourself. So maintain your self-assurance, be genuine, and good luck. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you depart. See you in the following video.